India's biggest vaccination drive is underway with more than 350 million doses administered across the country through a network of 138,427 COVID vaccination centers. While the development and manufacturing of COVID-19 vaccine is one of the most amazing feats in the history of India, vaccinating 1.37 billion Indians is also not a trivial task. Here's the story of India's journey towards universal COVID vaccination with CoWIN platform. From the very beginning, we were walking on a tightrope to build a platform that embraced the geographical, cultural and linguistic diversity of India.
कुछ ही मिनट बाद भारत में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टीकाकरण अभियान शुरू होने जा रहा है। मैं सभी देशवासियों को इसके लिए बहुत-बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
Under the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister, India started the development of a scalable, inclusive and open platform called CoWIN. It is the tech backbone of India's vaccination drive, designed to serve as a single source of truth and help with strategizing, implementing, monitoring and evaluating India's vaccination drive.
India has already administered around 350 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Our target is to complete vaccination for all our adult citizens by the end of this year. This is a mammoth task which required a robust, inclusive and scalable system that could sustain the mass vaccination drive. We also had to ensure that the platform has a dynamic architecture capable of evolving and thriving in the changing circumstances. India has always believed that the world is one family and is happy to share this platform with our partners.
India started its vaccination program in a graded manner on 16 January 2021, when the CoWIN platform was first opened for health workers. A little later, all frontline workers were included. From 1st March onwards, all senior citizens above 60 years of age started getting vaccinated. This was followed by vaccination of people between 45 to 60 years and finally for individuals between 18 to 44 years. Within 5 months, the platform became the fastest tech platform in the world to get 350 million registered users, a feat achieved by few.
Not only that this platform records the vaccination event, actually it provides a very important tool for policymakers to design the data-driven policy and to fine-tune the policy as we go along, so that we are able to leverage the data availability for better and more fine-tuned policy making. And in fact, we have been doing that since last about 5 months by sort of increasing the scope of vaccination to people and also implementing many of these policies and enforcing the same through digital means.
The platform is designed to cater to the requirements of all stakeholders. For citizens, the platform provides multilingual, transparent and easy to use web and mobile interface, 3 modes of registration: online, offline and assisted, guidance on interval between vaccine doses, convenience in vaccination slot booking, instant digital certificate. For vaccination centers, it enables vaccine stock management, efficient vaccine utilization, publishing vaccination schedules, verification of citizens through multiple modes, real-time dashboard. For government, the platform helped in ensuring its maximum of minimum government and maximum governance. It provides dashboards and data analysis regarding vaccination, mechanisms to prevent rent-seeking and black marketing, data-driven public health policy. In a nutshell, this is an agile platform that can be customized and scaled up for health interventions across the globe. The algorithms are designed to quickly respond and adapt to feedback.
We needed a platform, an electronic platform to capture all vaccination events. And that is where CoWIN came into the picture. When the portal was opened for people aged 18 to 44 years, the platform was able to handle more than 13.5 million registrations within the first 8 hours of its opening. So that gives you some idea of the robustness and strength of this electronic platform. The platform has made it possible for us to do a systematic and seamless rollout of the vaccination drive across the length and breadth of our great country.
The platform has undergone constant evolution with changes in the vaccination policy. With each rollout stage, it became more robust, user-friendly, and fully loaded with features such as slot booking based on preferred vaccination brand availability, platform adapted for differently abled, registrations through 24/7 support through 1075 toll-free number, optimized capacity to handle load of billions of visits.
हमने जो टेक्नोलॉजी प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है कोविन, उसकी भी पूरी दुनिया में चर्चा हो रही है। अनेक देशों ने भारत के इस प्लेटफॉर्म को इस्तेमाल करने में रुचि भी दिखाई है।
We are excited to join hands with the world to win over COVID-19 together with CoWIN.